Hello everyone, guess what time it is? That's right, it is Healthy Tip Tuesday. Thanks so much for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I recover dry, dull, damaged hair. I am doing a DIY shine and moisture mask. I used to do this all the time, but I wanted to bring it back and show you all. I'm starting with an avocado, which is great for your hair. It is great for adding moisture, and also it's great if you do use excessive heat or excessive styling, or your hair is just dry and dull. It adds shine and actually is a very, very lightweight protein treatment. I'm going to mash it up in this bowl to get it as smooth as possible. Then I'm following up with a tablespoon of olive oil. Great for shine, shedding, scalp, and moisture. And 2 dropperfuls of this Silk Elements Argan Oil. Argan Oil is great for repairing damaged hair, sealing your ends, and is also a natural heat protectant. As well, it makes your hair super duper shiny. Then I'll follow up with half of a tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil, which is great for promoting growth and protecting your hair. Then I'll follow up with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for penetrating the strands of your hair and adding natural shine and moisture. And of course, honey. 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, helps your hair to hold on to moisture, it combats frizz, and makes your hair super shiny. Then of course, following up with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is great for helping to balance the pH levels of your hair, treating itchy, dry scalp, and also sealing in moisture. Help thicken and smooth out the mixture, as well as not make it be so sticky. I'm adding about 2 squirts of any conditioner that you prefer. In this video, I actually use Mane & Tail Deep Moisture Conditioner. So I have washed my hair in the shower, and as you can see, it is super dry from overstyling and product use, and there's no shine to it. It's dull, and my curls are not popping. Of course, I like my curls to pop, so I want to bring some life to it. I'm parting my hair in 4 sections and splitting them off. Then I'm going to give this a stir and get ready to apply. I'm starting, of course, on the lower sections. I want to make sure that I concentrate on the ends, work my way all the way up to the root. Then once the section is saturated, I'm going to split it in half and then make sure that I get the inner portions of the section, twist it up and get it out of the way. Then repeat all steps on all other sections. This is a great treatment, of course, if you've been using heat, if your hair is just had a lot of product buildup, or just over manipulation and styling and everyday wear and tear from the elements. Once I have my hair all saturated with the product, then I am going to tie it up in a plastic baggie and do what's often referred to as the greenhouse effect. Allow it to sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then I will wash it out. I left it on for myself, I guess about an hour and 10 minutes. Then I washed it out using a very lightweight conditioner. I'm now drying all of the excess water using a microfiber towel, and as you can see, my hair is already, you can just tell, it looks more rich with color. It's no longer dull, it's shiny, bouncy, my curls are popping again, they are back, and it's easy to finger detangle. My hair feels strengthened, soft, beautiful, and healthy. If you have color treated hair, this is also a great treatment for you, but I will give a disclaimer. If you are fresh with your color, I would wait at least 1 week before using this method, because the avocado can affect the color if it has not settled into the hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.